Hello viewers, hope everyone is well. Today we will learn how to reset a WordPress website. If you want to remove all posts, pages, and media, i.e., all content of your WordPress website, then you can easily do this with a plugin. So let's get started. First, go to the site's dashboard. Click on Plugins from the dashboard, then add New. Here we will search WP Reset. Then we will install this plugin from here. This is a very good plugin, compatible with the latest WordPress version, and for relax plus active installations. Then we will activate the plugin. You see a notification coming here after being plugin active. We dismiss it. Now if you hover on Tools, you will find an option called WP Reset at the bottom under the pop-up menu. Click here to enter the WP Reset plugin. If you want, you can take a snapshot before resetting with this plugin and restore your site from the snapshot. We will scroll down to reset the website, and here you can see the site reset. Check this if you want to reset the site with your current theme active. Keep the WP Reset plugin checked to keep it active. And if you want to keep site plugins active after the site reset, then keep it checked. Finally, enter Reset here and click Reset Site only, then your website will be reset.
Thanks for watching the video.